Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to allow access to contacts and call history for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. After that, click the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list and just scroll down. In the last line we have it, but on some devices it like call sharing, so don't worry, it's the same as this one. To enable it, just click at the slider near to it, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!